Claude can write, reason, research, and build things. But what happens when you want it to create a cinematic video, generate a product image, or produce audio without leaving the chat?
If you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's get started.
That is where the Higgsfield MCP connector comes in. With one connection, you can give Claude or ChatGPT access to Higgsfield's creative models directly inside the tools you already use. You do not need to keep jumping between separate websites, learning a different interface for every model, or manually moving files from one platform to another. And for this campaign, new users get 24 hours of unlimited Higgsfield generations completely free through the MCP connector. You can try the workflow, generate real outputs, and cancel within the free period if it is not for you. So let's connect it and see what this actually unlocks. I open Claude and go to Settings, then Connectors. I add a custom connector, name it Higgsfield, paste in the connector URL, and connect my Higgsfield account. That is the setup. Once the connection is active, Claude can reach Higgsfield's generation tools directly from a conversation. Instead of opening one website for images, another for video, and another for audio, I can use one conversation as the starting point for the entire creative workflow. Let's begin with video. I can ask Claude for something as simple as, generate a cinematic 5-second wide shot of a neon-lit Tokyo alley at night, rain on the pavement, one figure walking away from the camera. Use Seedance 2.0. Claude understands the request, passes it through the Higgsfield connector, and returns the generated clip inside the conversation. Seedance 2.0 is one of the key models available through the connector. It supports text, image, video, and audio inputs, and it can generate cinematic multi-shot video with native audio-visual synchronization. You can describe the subject, the action, the camera movement, the lighting, the environment, and the sound. You can also specify a model when you have one in mind, or let Claude help choose the right option for the request. The model can work with reference images, video clips, and audio. That gives you more control than starting from a text prompt alone. You can provide a character reference, a product image, or a visual style, and use those inputs to guide the result. For example, I can ask for a product advertisement using one product photo, a specific camera move, and a vertical format for social media. The clip itself can be up to 15 seconds per shot, and you can build longer sequences by connecting multiple generations. The key difference is the workflow. I am not learning a new dashboard just to create one clip. I am describing the creative decision in the conversation I am already using. The connector is not limited to video. Higgsfield also gives Claude access to a wide range of image models, including Seedream, NanoBanana, GPT Image, Soul, Flux, Kling image models, and others. I can ask for a completely new image, create a clean editorial product image of a black tumbler on a reflective studio surface, soft morning light, minimal background, premium commercial photography. If I want a different style, I can ask for that without rebuilding the prompt from scratch. I can make it more cinematic, more minimal, more colorful, or more suitable for an online store. I can also generate supporting assets for a larger project, a title card, a background plate, a thumbnail concept, a character reference, a mood board image, or a visual for a social post. This is useful because image and video work are usually connected. A product image can become the reference for a video. A character design can become the starting point for a scene. The third part of the stack is audio. That means I can ask for a voiceover, dialogue, sound effect, music direction, or an audio layer that fits the scene I am creating. For a product video, I could start with one idea and ask Claude to develop the full creative package. Write the short script, create the product image, generate a video using that image, and add a natural voiceover. For an explainer, I could provide the topic and ask for a visual sequence with narration and supporting audio. For social content, I could ask for a vertical video with a specific pace, a clear hook, and sound that matches the tone. The benefit is not just having more models, it is having the pieces connected. I can keep the same subject, product, character, and creative direction across images, video, and audio instead of starting from zero each time. I can ask Claude to develop several creative directions, generate reference images, produce short video variations, create voiceovers, and prepare assets for different platforms. I can request one version for a website, one for a vertical social post, and another for a paid advertisement. I can keep the brand, product, and message consistent while changing the format. For a faceless channel, I could ask for a repeatable process that starts with a topic, creates a script, generates the visual sequence, adds narration, and produces a finished package. For a small business, I could create product photos, short ads, social clips, and audio variations without opening 5 different tools. The same connector can also support creative work inside Claude Code and other agent environments. That means the workflow is not limited to one chat interface. You can use the AI tool that already fits your work and connect it to Higgsfield's generation capabilities. MCP acts as the bridge. Claude interprets the request, Higgsfield runs the generation, and the result comes back into the conversation. You still make the creative decisions. You choose the idea, approve the output, and refine anything that needs another pass. The connector simply removes the unnecessary switching between tools. Let's bring this back to the offer. For this campaign, every new user gets 24 hours of unlimited access to Higgsfield generations through the MCP connector completely free. That includes the opportunity to try the image, video, and audio models inside Claude or ChatGPT. You can test Seedance 2.0, explore image models, generate audio, and see whether this workflow fits the way you already create. The offer has a simple structure. Connect Higgsfield, start generating, and use the free period to test real ideas instead of only reading about the platform. If you decide it is not for you, cancel within the 24-hour window and you pay nothing. Higgsfield MCP gives you one URL, one connection, and access to a full creative stack inside the AI tools you already use.